In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check deleted messages on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Messages. Here we can remove any conversation if we swipe to the left and then hit right here at that trash bin. Once you hit add delete, the conversation will be removed from here and it is actually moved now to recently deleted, where it's going to store for the next 30 days, and within these 30 days we can easily check this conversation, and if we would like we can recover it. To do that, first off, just tap right here where it says filters and you will be taken to that page where at the bottom you will find recently deleted option. And now if we get into it, we'll see all the conversations here that has been recently deleted. It is showing here the amount of days left until the conversation will be automatically and permanently deleted from here. And now let's say if you would like to get it back, you can easily select a conversation, or you can also select multiple conversations at once, and then we can either delete them manually by tapping right here at delete, and also we can recover them if we tap right here. Basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.